Today we have a topic pointer and some increment and decrement problem on pointer like post increment, pre increment and post decrement and pre decrement. Post increment, pre decrement, post decrement, pre increment. Then we have a array and initialization of pointer p, and p is equal to a, that is base address of first element, p pointing to this firstly p pointing to this. Now strict p minus. So firstly this it gives value 5 and pointing to previous location, that is 0, and now strict plus p, then is transfer of plus of 1 unit, that's become 5 and pointing to still 5, minus p, that's become 0 and pointing to 0, left of it, and p plus value is 0 but pointing to 5. So its value is 0055. Now in another question, strict firstly p pointing to first element of array p. Now p minus, firstly it gives value of 5, then pointing to 0th location 0, that is not given in this array, and now p plus it is 0 and pointing to 5, minus p, that's 0 and pointing to 0, plus p, that is 5 and pointing to 5. So it gives 5005. Now in another condition, p pointing to firstly 5, base address of first element of an array. Now plus p, firstly it gives 6 and also pointing to this. Now p plus firstly this value gives 6 and pointing to 7. Now minus p, then it gives 6 and pointing to this, also pointing to this, plus p, its value is 7 and also pointing to 7. In another question, we have a p is equal to address of a of 3. That means if we don't apply this addition, that is going to be error while running off program. So we definitely need to keep this sign of address operator as a assigning of pointer while we are pointing except first element of an array. So if we consider 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. and third location is what? 8. So P is pointing to this. Now here braces has a higher priority, so plus P, that means it comes to this location P, and when we apply strict it gives 9 value, and also pointing to it strict P plus. Firstly this value is 9, it gives 9 value, then pointing to one position rightward, that is P. Minus of P, it gives 9 and pointing to 9. So it's pointing to 9. So it's give value 9999. In the same way, we have a 0, 1, 2, 3. We have a firstly this pointing P, and now strict P plus. Firstly it gives value 8 and pointing to 9. Now strict braces plus P. So firstly it comes to 11 and pointing to 11, and when we apply strict it gives value 8, 11. Now strict P minus. Firstly it gives value 11 and pointing to 9. So we have a value 11, 11, 8. Now in another question, P pointing to this, we have again address of A of 3. So now strict P plus. Firstly it gives value 8 and pointing to 9. Now it's pointing to 9. Again plus P, that means it's pointing to 11 and gives value 11, and then its value is 11 and pointing to 13. We have a value 11, 11, 8. Now in another question, P pointing to this and strict plus P, that means it gives 9 and pointing to this. Now strict P plus, that means it's pointing to same location after applying strict. So it gives 9 and pointing to 11. Now strict minus P, it gives 9 and pointing to 9. And we have another plus strict P. Strict P gives 9 and it also gives 9 and plus that value becomes 10. We need to change the array 9 becomes 10. So we got a result of 9999. In another question, we firstly it point to this location and minus of p, that's become that's become 7 and pointing to this, and stick plus p pointing to its value is 8 and pointing to also 8. Strict p minus, its value is 8 and it's change the value 7 in the array. Strict p minus, it gives value of 7 and pointing to this. Its value is 7 and pointing to this. So when we want to print strict p, that gives 7. Now in another question. Firstly 0, 1, 2, 3. Then it's point to this. Now strict minus of p, that means it gives 77 and pointing to this and pointing to this. Strict plus p, that means it gives 8 and pointing to this. It also gives 8 and minus, that means it becomes 7. Strict p minus, that means its value is 7 and pointing to this. Strict plus p, it gives 7 and pointing to this. Even we can also print the array using loop, like a for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus printf a of I, a of %d is equal to %d sin I and a. It's print the array, complete array, like A0 is equal to 5 and A1 is equal to 6 and something like this till 70. So in next video we discuss about while pointer and dangling pointer and void pointer